when every detail makes the difference. To bring your ideas to life, choose the OEM Division of Chiaravalli Group. The constant innovation in the manufacturing sector drives producers to continuously seek new solutions, requiring highly qualified partners for their realization. Chiaravalli offers a complete service, from product design and prototyping to the production of high-quality, made in Italy components certified according to the most important standards. From drawing to production line, choose Chiaravalli and transform your ideas into excellent solutions.